Welcome back to this video. To this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best preference settings in Filmora video editing software. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Filmora video editing software. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Make sure you click on File. Then from File, then you have to make sure you scroll down right here. You navigate to Preferences or Control plus Shift plus K. So it takes you to this particular page. And this is where you need to do your normal preference setting before you start the production of a video on Filmora video editing software. Now, on getting to this page here, there are a bunch of things you can do right here. You can come to the top right here to change the language on Filmora display language right here. So you can choose whatever language you understand from this language section. That's that. Then another thing you can do here is the appearance. As far as the appearance is concerned, by default, we have it to be dark. You can switch to light mode, or better still, you can switch to system default, or you can simply switch back to dark mode. So basically, this is what you can do under the appearance. Now, right here, you can ask for update automatically. You can come here, set it to be every week or on a daily basis, or reset or program warning. It's as simple as that. And then make sure this two button here is checked. Show this setup window when Filmora launch. Then make sure this is enabled and this tool is also enabled. That is that. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to folders right here. Click on folder section. Then from folder section right here, we have default storage location. So right here, you can change the location of the default storage. So for you to do that, simply come here, click on change, and then you can select another file. Now, if you will be like to use Filmora video editing to screen record on your PC and you want to create a folder for that, what you need to do is to simply come here. You can see screen recorder, then you can change the folder, click on change. Then where you want to have the folder, I want to have it on my desktop. Then you can right click right here and then make sure you go to new and then click on folder. Then right here we can call this screen. You can call this one screen recording, and just like so. Then once I done, then I'm going to simply click on select folder right here. Now the snapshot, if you would like to be using Filmora to screenshot on your Windows PC, simply click on change right here. Then the same procedure, go to your desktop. So I'm going to right click, then I will go to new, then I'll click on folders. Then right here, I will take this, I will call this one Filmora screenshots. All right, so that is for the folders right here. We have everything set up. Then right here, we can simply back up my project every 5 minutes. We can change from 5 minutes to every 1 minute so that we do not lose any information when we are trying to edit. Next thing we want to do is to go to Edit tab from the top right here. Okay, so under the Edit tab, what we have right here, photo duration 5 seconds, transition 2 seconds, effect, how many seconds here? That's 5 seconds. We can simply change the transition effect also to be about 5 seconds. So we can change it right here to about 5 seconds. Okay. Then everything here is 5 seconds. Okay. Then the freeze duration, we can also make it about 5 seconds. It's okay. So we can come down to the timeline right here and see what we can do here. Then photo placement, fit, crop to fit. So fit is okay. Then right here, show display button, timeline, play add. So when this must be enabled so that you'll be able to see this particular button when you are working in the timeline. Then let's move to media cache right here. So under media cache, this is where you set the times at which you want some of the backup file to be deleted. So right here, I want backup file to be deleted. So make sure you enable this. Then how long you want the backup file to be deleted out of your PC storage. So I'm going to put it in 15 days. I think 15 days is okay. Then right here, approximate file, automatically delete them. Then right here, you can come to the temporary file right here. Make sure this is also enabled and then change the date to about 15 days is okay, because some of this file here is going to constitute a lot of huge file into your PC. Next thing we want to do right here, we have to go to performance settings. So under the performance settings, this is where you know the GPU and the graphics card of your PC. Right here, I'm using Intel RHD graphics 5500. Then you can enable the rendering background, or better still, you can simply disable it and then automatically process file. That is done. Then right here, you have to come here. You can choose the frame resolution of your video. You can choose 1280 by 720, or better still, you can choose 1920 by 1080, or choose a custom format. So I'm going to put it in this 1920 by 1080, which is YouTube standard resolution. Finally, when you are done, you have to come down below right here. Simply click on apply, boom, and everything is set. Then you can start to edit your clips or image with Filmora video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Filmora video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.